Yo, Ed Holden, Mr. Phormula Mr. Phormula here. Mae'n bon oes this video dwytha fi, it's been ages since my last video, felly dyma ni, here we go, fresh video. Peth gyntaf newch chi sylweddoli, first thing you may notice is I'm a bit out of breath. Ag y reswm pam, the reason is we're heading up to an abandoned quarry. Da ni ar y ffordd fyny I Chwarel Croesor, so Croesor Quarry. Ag y syniad ydi, ddim wedi sample llwythi o syna, gonna sample loads of sounds from the quarry, turn that into a beat, mynd I throw in am yn curiad, put that all into a video, and rhoi pennill ar ben, and then we're gonna put a verse on top. And the subject matter will be mining, so Chwarel fydd the brief bunk, because it's such a huge part of local history. I've got to get up there first though. Got all my gear on my back and a bod dim of yma. It's good weather though, so mae'r tywydd yn cool. Yeah, Mwynhewch y video, enjoy the video.
Fi di'r boi na sy'n gweithio Fyny'r mynydd unrhyw tywydd da ni'n teithio Mewn I stumog y carrag ni'n crwydro Llwch at ymhered y wyrgylch ni'n brwydro A dan y ddeir mae'r effeithiau'n gorlifo Ni'n un efo'r twdwch fel nynlle I cuddio Palu, carrag y malu Y wyrgylch yn drwm efo'r llwch ni'n anadlu In the depths, the darkest, yeah, exposure and injury. Watch your step, there's no choices left. Prospects can be minimal. We risk lives underground mining minerals. Slates and rocks, the water drops. Dust falls when we detonate the mortar box. It's dark down here amidst the stones with no other choices left when your family's at home. Chwyth there, left, right, left and it goes. Chwyth there, left, right, left am I mynd. Chwyth there, left, right, left and it goes. Chwyth there, left, right, left am I mynd.